Hey guys, I have the July beauty box from Allure, and this box is the collaboration with Huda Beauty. So that is the July box, and this is, I think I pay like $16 a month for this. I do pay for this with my own money. Also, you guys will notice that my hair is a new shade. I did a balayage, or I think that's what it's called, in like a dark red, like a dark, I want to say like a dark burgundy kind of. And yeah, I really like it. I do have a few videos, I think maybe 1 or 2 videos that I pre-recorded before I got my hair done, so those will be up later on this week or next week. So this is my new hair, so this is what you'll see for quite some time. So the Spanish word of the day, which is something new that I'm incorporating into my channel, is beauty, which is from Huda Beauty. So beauty is belleza, belleza, belleza. So let's go ahead and jump into the July box. And the first thing that I see in here is a quote by her. It says, "With passion and purpose, every dream is possible. Huda Katan of Huda Beauty." And the magazine has her beautiful face on the front of it. She is known for always putting her eyes or face on every product that she comes out with. I mean, she is very stunning, but sometimes it's a little overkill. So first thing that I see right out the gate by itself in the box is one of her liquid lipsticks, and this is a liquid matte. This is in the shade Alluring, and I do like the formula that she has, so really pleased to have a full size. And this looks like a, yeah, it's a orangey red, so that is what it looks like right there. And we'll definitely be trying this out. And the packaging, as always, is super cute. It has her lips on there, and it's like holding the lip product. So that is the shade Alluring, and this is worth, because that's a full-size product, this is actually worth, I don't think it says, I don't know. It doesn't say, that sucks. So it doesn't say how much it's worth. And looking in here, that's the problem with the Allure beauty box. I feel like you never know the prices in here, so you really don't know like if you're really getting your money's worth. But I'm pretty sure that this runs around maybe a little under $20. And we're going to jump into the baggie itself, and she even put herself on the bottom of the box. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into the bag. It's a pink neon bag, and I just got home from work. I didn't retouch my makeup. I just put some lip gloss on and was like, screw it. So first thing in here is the K Ali vanilla smell, and she supposedly picked out everything in here. So this is like one of those tiny little perfume samples. I think I'd probably get like 2 uses of this. I can smell kind of like a little bit of a hint of vanilla. We'll definitely try this out. It has notes of vanilla, brown sugar, amber woods. So this is one of her favorite perfumes. And I don't know. Okay, and this is worth $65 for 50 ml or $118 for 100. So I don't know if she picked out everything, because I also see that they have like the different editors like they normally do. So I don't know if it's just based on her or what. Anyways, so next thing in here are lashes by her. I have yet to try lashes by her, and it's so funny because I own a pair and I've yet to try them. And this is in the style Samantha. So those look absolutely beautiful. And as always, as you see, it has her eyes on the back of the packaging. But I have heard nothing but good things from people who've actually tried those lashes. And then the next thing in here is the Tony Moly Intense Care Gold 24 karat snail mask. So this is a hydro gel mask. It's supposed to help with elasticity and to vitalize the skin. So definitely will use this. I think there's only like 1 in here. It seems super thick. And then they actually have a shop Huda for 25% off. So I have a limited code in here. And then it says that you have a sneak peek by a scratch off in here. So let's see what the sneak peek is going to be. Okay, so from what I see, it looks like we're gonna get the real mascara. There's like an eye serum mask. There's some kind of like water cream and also some other little cream. These are really hard to scratch off. They're not like the lottery ones that are really easy. And then the next thing in here is the Way Texturizing Hairspray. I really love this. This smells amazing and just adds like a perfect amount of texture to your hair without like overdoing it or making it sticky or nasty. I actually have the full size that I bought myself, so really like having that little travel size one. And then the last thing in here is the Urban Decay 24/7 Zero Pencil. That's my dog. This is an eyeliner pencil, just a black one. So this is going to be really nice to replace the old one that I have. I really enjoy these. I don't think they're like foolproof, not none budge kind of liners for your waterline, but they are nice. They do last a long time. What I do is I put a little bit of black eyeshadow on there to actually make it last a little bit longer. So yay! So that is everything that came in the box. Let me know what you guys think. I love the fact that she is so extra that she put herself like literally everywhere in this box, including inside the box. But yeah, I think that definitely just these two products alone really paid for the box itself. So yeah, I feel like everything in here is really nice. It's things that I will use. I absolutely love this Way. I think that's how you say their, somebody will correct me, they're texturizing hairspray. So I feel like everything that's in the box I love or will use. Let me know down below what your thoughts are. I'd love to hear back from you guys. Are you into the Allure beauty box? Have you subscribed? I'd love to hear back from you guys. And yeah, and I'm also going to probably take advantage of this 25% off because I really love her products. So this isn't like an extra little bonus in here as well. Yeah, so that is it. Let me stop rambling. Thank you guys so much for watching. I need to go take a shower and go to bed. So, and if you're not subscribed and want to subscribe, I do mainly unboxings, but I do some other videos here and there. Get ready with me's. I want to incorporate other videos as well. And if you have any suggestions, leave them down below. Thank you guys as always, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.